Yo, what's up guys, to another video. Today's not a gameplay video. Today is a nature walk video. Today, but it's pretty cool. Don't ask why I have heavy breath. I already walked all down there. I just had to run back to my house. So we don't know if I'm ever gonna do good, because I actually want to not do it at 59 subscribers or 100. I want to do it at 50 subscribers. So 50 subscribers. Nature walk. I'm not gonna be embarrassed right now. Hold up. This is where I missed my bus. Hated it. Nature walk. Look at the grass. How about y'all not watch this video if you're a gamer? Because like, I'm not touching grass, but y'all are. Y'all just touched grass. My phone have grass on it? Hope not. I think I accidentally did face reveal, because I quickly did that. Probably did a face reveal. I might do a face reveal at 10. I'm joking. 50 subscribers. 50. It is the best number. You know why? I turned on my flashlight. Whoa, stick. Let me just check if it's on. Is it on? Glow stick, all I want of you. I think it barely works. I try putting it all in the sewer, but I'm gonna go to my bus stop, and then that's gonna be the end of the nature walk. I swear the whole entire comments is gonna be blown up with, what's a nature walk? What's grass? Ah! It made me touch grass! Now we may walk back to my house. How about I do a nature walk and then house tour? Oh shit! I ran as fast as I can. But I'm gonna go run to my house so I can get this video all finished, because I might make a Rocket League video after this video. Because if y'all think I sound like a girl, I am not a girl. Okay? I'm not a girl. Why is there no clouds in the fucking sky? I'm not a girl. I'm not a girl. I'm not fucking freak. Why is there why are there barely any clouds in the freaking sky? I don't want my mom to watch my videos and be so embarrassed. Didn't I say I was gonna run to my house? Oh, that's true. I'm not. I think right here. It's my face. My flashlight. Yeah. So this is my living room. This is Fortnite. Then my dog. Then my kitchen. Then my couch. Then my backyard. Then my backyard. Then my kitchen. Oh. Then my kitchen. I can still look. I just covered my face with my phone. I got all the tips. Plates, fridge, microwave, stepping stool since I cannot reach. Shanae O'Neal put this up here. Cannot reach it. So I use this. Don't make fun of me. And I take off my jacket. The shoes, my shoes. These ones. My jacket. Jack the skeleton. Jack the skeleton. My water bottle. All dollhouse. All this. Chips. I think I already showed y'all that. More chips. Whatever. More chips. Thanks. I'm running a drink. Popcorn. Cheetos. Might get myself a drink actually. Yes. Drink review. I'm done with the house tour. Now we're doing drink review. Not review. Review. Mirror. I'm not gonna face that mirror. Drink review. Hold on. Shh, it's smart. Okay. Time to drink. So good. I'm okay. I'm not ending the video until I drink this. Do I have long arms? No. Go. I just feel like I should do face review now. I'll do height review. I'm 4'8". That's my height. Height review. Trampoline. I'm gonna be on there. Probably after Rocket League video. I'm gonna drink this mukbang.